How do you say I am vegetarian or I am vegan in Spanish? Okay, let's start by learning how to say I am vegetarian. Soy vegetariano. Okay, let me break it down for you. Soy vegetariano. A little faster. Repeat after me. Soy vegetariano. Okay, say it with me a little faster. Soy vegetariano. Okay, that is, if you're a man, you say soy vegetariano. And if you're a lady, you say soy vegetariana. Just at the end, instead of saying O, just say A. So for men, soy vegetariano. For ladies, soy vegetariana. Okay, now, so how do you say I am vegan? Okay, for men, you say soy vegano. Again, soy vegano. And for ladies, you say soy vegana. So if you're a man, for saying I am vegan, you say soy vegano. And if you are a lady, for saying I am vegan, you say soy vegana. Okay, let's review. For men, I am vegetarian, soy vegetariano. For ladies, I am vegetarian, you say soy vegetariana. Now for men, for saying I am vegan, you say soy vegano. For ladies, to say I am vegan, you say soy vegana. How do you say I don't eat meat? No como carne. Okay, let me break it down for you. Repeat after me. No como carne. I don't eat meat. No como carne. I eat vegetables. Como vegetales. I eat vegetables. Como vegetales. I don't eat meat. I eat vegetables. No como carne. Como vegetales.